Hey, this is Andrew Gross at the Xyte booth at ISE 2024. We got some really cool new features showcasing here today, but if you aren't familiar with Xyte, what Xyte does is we partner directly with hardware and technology manufacturers who are looking to get to the cloud very quickly to offer monitoring and management around their hardware, to be able to offer new support tools or more enhanced support tools for their dealer base, their channel base, and potentially even begin to offer remote feature enablement through license entitlement and even some unique subscription models around their hardware. So what you're looking at here are actually two portals that you would get access within a partnership with Xyte. On the left-hand side, this is your back office operations tool. This is what you as a manufacturer would see and interact with to do all of your building, configuration, and customization, all through templates, all for your brand. On the right-hand side is really what happens when your customer then logs in. When they log into yourbrand@thecloud.com, they would then be able to then claim their devices, monitor and manage them, offer support remotely, maybe load some new firmware updates, and of course, begin to engage in hardware as a service. To show you a couple new features that we've launched here, the first thing is in the back office tool, we've completely modularized the system. Meaning depending on how you want to choose your path within Xyte, you can begin to offer connectivity for your products for cloud-based management and monitoring. You can engage in our e-commerce and support tool to be able to build out new products, whether it's a physical product or a bundle with software and services, or potentially you want to consume an Xyte partnership with our support tools. So that now if you've got multiple customers, multiple clouds, you want to be able to click into a map view and see all of them from a single pane of glass. The last cool new feature we're launching on the back office operations is this Xyte Connect Partners tool. What the Xyte Connect Partners tool is all about is that yes, you may have a fantastic set of cloud-based tools for your cloud, but how do you now get this in the hands of your partners? Well, we embedded an invite partner tool that allows you to identify very specific channel partners, whether they're a distributor, a reseller, or an integrator, and give them limited access to different back office tools. Once you're able to publish this to your customers and your customer logs in, this is where all of the monitoring, management, and support takes place. They're able to see all of their different offices around the globe, be able to scan through their different devices, click into a device, and see status of what's happening with that system in real time. You can completely do commands from remotely around the world to do firmware upgrades, all in the cloud, and send that file to the device, or potentially you want to dive into the telemetries and see some logs over what happened over time. Lastly, on the end user portal is of course one pane of glass, not just for monitoring and management, but the ability to engage in hardware as a service. Whether that's simply clicking into a piece of hardware and now instead of owning that device, but actually subscribing to it, or potentially even bundling that hardware with specific software and support into one full integrated checkout experience. If you'd like to find out more information from the back office operations tool and the front office monitoring, management, and hardware as a service system, you can find us at xyte.io. Thanks very much.